Hi, my name is Anubhav Tyagi. I'm an advocate and I practice law in Delhi. In this video, I'm going to talk about a topic which is not discussed so commonly. People are not aware about this particular issue, and this is an issue which is being overseen by the people. So, when you use social media, when you use dating apps, it is presumed that only women and children are being victimized on these apps. However, the reality is that even men are not being spared on these websites or these apps. So I have been receiving queries lately from different people, from different men, and they have this one problem that they are facing is that they talk to some stranger, they talk to some woman, and then they exchange their pictures or videos, their personal pictures or videos, or even just a normal picture, and that normal picture gets morphed, and thereafter they start receiving threats. People call them up, they call them up and they start threatening these men that if you do not pay XYZ amount to us, we will share your picture with your family, with your relatives, and all over the internet. Now, the person who is the victim, he is in a state of shock, he is in a state of fear that what would happen if my personal picture, my video is shared over the internet with my family members. My reputation is going to be completely ruined. So, if you are a victim of such a thing, such a scam, or if you ever face such a situation wherein you receive such threats, then in that situation, keeping quiet is not an answer, because you never know, maybe your picture really in reality it gets shared or it's published on the internet. So you can take certain steps to save yourself from save yourself, so that your picture or your video is not shared over the internet or shared with your relatives. So the first thing that you can do is to lodge an FIR against that person with the cyber cell, of course. But in many cases relating to men, the police officers are not ready to register an FIR. So the other option that you have is to approach the civil court. You approach the civil court and file a suit for injunction against that person, and the notice would be issued against that person, and the court will ask that person to stop harassing you, to stop publishing your picture, or even the court would also ask that person to delete whatever content he has or she has related to you. Uh, the the third thing that you can also do is to simply send a legal notice. In many cases, even a single legal notice sent from a lawyer is very effective, and it has proved that to be effective in many cases. So these are the remedies that you can exercise in case you fall prey to such a scam.